Hello and welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make a slip knot, which is the basis of any crochet project. So after you learn this, you will be all set and ready to start crocheting. So I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. It looks like this. And when it's tightened onto your hook, it should be able to slide around and move around like this. The first technique that I'm going to show you is where we use our first two fingers. So take the end of your yarn and just kind of hold it down with your bottom fingers. Then you're going to make a cross on the front of your two fingers. So again, going around the back of our two fingers, around to the front, and then crossing it over. I like to just hold it down with my thumb right here. Then anywhere above the X, so above the X over here, we're going to go underneath that first strand. So just go in the circle basically underneath the first strand, and then you're just going to pull the second strand through and just keep pulling it through. Once you have it on your hook like this, you're just going to also include this bottom strand attached to the yarn. So you're going to grab the strand that is free and the strand that is attached to the yarn ball and pull those while keeping the hook sturdy. And you'll have a little slip knot. So let's go over that technique once more. We're going to wrap it around our fingers and make an X. Then anywhere above the X, I like to go like in between my two fingers here. We're going to go underneath the first strand and then grab the second strand with our hook and just pull it through the circle and continue pulling it up. You can put your finger here and let go everything, then grab the bottom two strands and pull those. And you should have a little slip knot. To make it go onto your hook, you're gonna pull the strand that's attached to the yarn ball just like so until it's all up here. You don't want it to be too tight, and you just have to move it around like this so that it is nice and loose on your crochet hook. If that technique is a little bit confusing for you, don't worry. What we're going to do is we're just going to draw a little circle. So we're just going to draw a circle on a surface in front of us and make an X this way. Anywhere above the X, we're just going to go underneath that circle here and then pull the strand to the left of it through the circle and keep pulling while we grab the two strands, the one attached to the yarn ball and the one that is just the end, and pull those. Make sure that this kind of lifts up so that this will go underneath it. So pull this and hold this one up, and then you'll have a slip knot this way. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you, and comment down below what videos you would like to see next.